helps there. Class 33. Here I'm going to be on my server. So here I have there's my fast paced log. As you can see, I already have this term right here. I have it, and just in my index HTML, I'll save it. Down here it shows that it made the change. Fresh, fresh, and there it disappeared. I have a quiz tomorrow and demonstrate with the Flask. I wasn't able to get it running as I redid this whole process like 4 or 5 times. And this is what comes up every. This time it worked for now. After that, it's failing. I have all the code in VS Code right here, but I just can't get the actual website to run. Collaboration, we all. Thank you.